What's up? It's Terry from onelusionhub. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how I create lace lingerie using my Procreate lace texture brushes. I'll start by drawing a dark-colored lace bra, then I'll show you my favorite trick for creating white or light-colored lace on a white background without losing all the details. Let's get started. First, prepare an outline for your lingerie. You can either draw the outline yourself or simply trace over a reference photo, whatever works best for you. Create a new layer. Move it down. Turn on reference for your outline layer. Now let's fill in with colors. Simply drag in any color you'd like. I'm using dark gray and black as my main color. Then create another new layer above it for the bra cups. And fill with color as well. Now let's add the lace texture. Create a new layer above the base color and turn on clipping mask. I'm going to use LT66 from Lace 1. If you want to rescale the texture, simply select the texture brush. Go to grain, then just drag the scale here to rescale your texture. Remember to click done. Simply paint over the areas where you want the lace texture to appear. Once that's done, use the selection tool freehand. Clean up any unwanted part or simply use the eraser. Next, let's add some lace trim. Create another new layer. I'm using brush LB53 from Lace 2. I'll show you how the lace border brushes work here. First, draw a line, but don't lift your Apple Pencil right away. Instead, while keeping the pencil on the screen, drag towards front or back according to your stroke. You'll notice the lace border stretches as one continuous pattern. Here's another tip. While dragging your line, place one finger on the screen. That snaps the line into a perfectly straight angle. When you find the perfect connection point, simply lift your pencil and you'll get a seamless lace trim. You can experiment with different angles depending on the look you're going for. Here, I drew the lace trim diagonally according to the bra cup. Then go to Adjustments, choose Liquify. Then select Push. Use the push tool to gently push the lace until it follows the shape of the bra naturally. After that, use freehand selection tool or the eraser to remove the extra part. To blend the lace trim with the lace texture more naturally, switch your eraser to Procreate's soft brush. Reduce both the brush size and opacity, then lightly erase around the overlapping areas. Once you're happy, duplicate the layer, flip it horizontally, move it over to the other side. Merge the two layers together. Now let's add another lace trim. Create a new layer. Use the same lace border brush again, but increase the brush size. Draw a straight line, then move it into position. Use Liquify, push again to slightly adjust the curve. Then clean up the unwanted areas using the freehand selection tool or eraser. Sometimes I'll temporarily hide the texture layer so it's easier to see exactly what needs to be cleaned up. Once everything is cleaned up, it should look something like this. Now create one more new layer. For the shoulder straps, I'm using brush LB1 as a decorative detail. Duplicate the layer, flip it horizontally, then move it over to the other strap. Merge the layers together. Finally, merge this decorative layer with the straps and boning layer. For the finishing, select the base color layer. Choose Procreate Soft Brush as your eraser. Lower both the brush size and opacity, then gently erase the outer edges of the base color. This removes that harsh cutout look and gives a more natural appearance. Turn off your outline layer, and your dark lace lingerie is finished. If you'd like to change the colors later, it's super easy. Choose any color you want. For the lace trim layer, turn on Alpha Lock. Then select Fill Layer. Do exactly the same thing for the lace texture layer. For the straps and boning, simply drag and drop your new color into the layer. That's it. Let me show you how to draw a white or a light-colored lace on a white background. Start the same way as before. Prepare your outline. Create a layer underneath it for the straps and boning. Then another layer for the base color. Fill both with your desired colors. Now create a new layer for the lace trim. This time, instead of choosing white immediately, start with a slightly darker color. Choose your favorite lace border brush, draw the trim. I'm using brush LB47. Clean up the extra parts with freehand selection tool or eraser. When you are happy with it, duplicate the layer, flip it horizontally, and move it into place. Then merge the layer. Create another new layer for the lower lace trim. Repeat the same process. Use Liquify Push tool to shape it so it follows the curves nicely. Once everything is finished, this is what it should look like. Now merge both lace trim layers together. Here, choose your final light color. I'm choosing white. Turn on Alpha Lock for the lace trim layer. Then select Fill Layer. Now the lace becomes white, which also makes it almost disappear against the white background. Here's the trick. Duplicate the lace layer. The bottom layer will become our shadow. Select the shadow layer. Go to Adjustments. Select Hue, Saturation, Brightness. Then lower the brightness all the way to 0 so it turns black. Next, select the Transform tool. Nudge the shadow layer just slightly down and to the right. Only a tiny movement is needed. Then go to Adjustments, Gaussian Blur. Apply about 1 to 2%. Finally, reduce the shadow layer's opacity until it looks natural. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helps you get the most out of these lace brushes. Feel free to experiment with different textures, lace borders, colors, and combinations to create your own unique designs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.